Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, this is too beautiful and more stylish. Samsung is not only working to upgrade hardware components, it is also launching new awesome colors with true beauty. According to the latest available data, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could come with a stylish new color, claimed by a reliable source. We're getting ever closer to the expected launch date of the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup. And the latest rumor to reach us suggests we're going to get treated to a stylish new color when it comes to the premium Ultra model. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. According to well-known tech tipster, UniverseIce, this variant is called Titanium WhiteSilver and combines a white back with a silver middle frame. It sounds like it would be appealing, and is apparently very beautiful. Beauty and the Beast. This isn't the first time we've heard this name. As our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra colors rumor roundup will tell you, it's appeared in a couple of previous leaks. However, it being mentioned again by another prominent leaker makes us more convinced we'll see it. There will be 4 conventional colors to go alongside it, the tipster says, though it's not clear from this post exactly what these will be. Quite possibly titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium black, and titanium silver. Based on information that's already leaked. 100% accurate news. Among the 4 conventional colors of S25 Ultra, there are white back plus silver middle frame. Official name, Titanium WhiteSilver. Very beautiful. Ice Universe posted on December 13, 2024. Trying to pin down the colors we'll see with the Galaxy S25 isn't quite as easy as you might think. The available colors can vary between countries and carriers, while Samsung often keeps some shades exclusive to its own website store. Earlier this month we saw leaked images of SIM cards for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra model, which again hinted at blue, black, and silver. And there was also what seemed to be a gold option, which may be marketed as gray. In fact, if you want to get some idea of the colors for all the incoming Galaxy S25 models, we've got you covered there too. Overall, it seems there won't be too much change from the Samsung Galaxy S24 models, though some shades might be renamed. We won't know for sure the colors that are going to be available until Samsung actually announces them, so we'll let you know as soon as we know. Based on earlier rumors, the big day could be January 22, 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.